Hey guys, great to be with you here today. I'm Scott Royal Smith from Royal Legal Solutions. We're talking about Monday. We are talking about single family home investing. If you guys aren't into your single family home yet, you need to be in it. Real estate is one of those games that the earlier you get in, the better you are. You can't lose money in real estate investing if you hold it for enough time. It has over a 70-year track record of improvement over time. If you come and try to time markets, up, down markets, etc., you're almost always going to lose. I mean, that's true for stock markets. It's true for real estate investing. It's true for everything across the board. The great thing about real estate, though, is that things will continue to appreciate over time. You'll also continue to be able to increase rents. We know that rent increases are, people aren't shying away from 5% plus rent increases every single year with their tenants. So these are great tools that you can be using to be able to get those people in the door to your door, so you can start making money off of that passive income and start paying down that mortgage. And guys, what this looks like as you start to build it, and you get into that first 1 to 4 unit property, which is where you should start, because you can get in with FHA loans with a really low money down, maybe 3.5% down. I love the fourplexes, because inside of the fourplexes, what you can do is you get the really cheap money from the bank. You live in one of the units, you learn how to be a landlord, you learn how rental property works while you have the boots on the ground. You can't really screw it up because you're there every single day. So you're going to know how to vet the tenants, how to do the property management, because you're there. There's just nothing easier than that. And then you're able to go into more and more investments after you've learned how to do it in a scenario where you can't really screw it up at all. And you've now built a bank account inside of the appreciation of your own property, and with the paying down of the mortgage on your own property, that you can use to get into your next property, because you can refinance that first property and you get to your second property. I just had Grant Cardone on the show here just last week on Real Estate Nerds. And that's the exact strategy that he was recommending for people. He said if the only mistakes that he's made in real estate was not buying more, wasn't buying less. So it's how can you get into the number of doors, get into the right loan to value. If you're going to be living in the property as well as the 1 to 4 unit, then you're going to be pretty safe, especially if you're looking at those. If it's priced at a price point, which almost all fourplexes are, to be, those B level, those mid-tier, working class kind of level jobs that are going to survive the ups and downs in the economy. There's always going to be people looking for those places to live, either because, things get worse and all the A class people that are paying a ton of money right now in rent come to rent your place in the B, or, things, could improve, and those people that are C's would come up to B. So being right there in the middle is where you want to be, guys. So kick it off, get into your first single family home. If you're looking for ways to connect with more investors inside of the single family home space, you want to get a part of the Royal Legal Solutions Facebook group. And we're going to, in there is where we're going to be starting to connect everybody up together. Also, you can reach out to us at Royal Legal Solutions. We can get you connected with people probably in your own area. We have over 3,000 clients all across the country. So would love to be able to help you guys there. Also, free LLCs, guys, seriously free LLCs that we're giving away right now. So you're going to want to go ahead and take advantage of that offer as well too, guys. So thanks for tuning in today. We'll touch base again here soon.